Welcome to my channel. Grow up, kiddo.
Hello, young marine explorers. Welcome to Aquatic Adventure, the show where we take a deep dive into the fascinating world of fish. I'm your guide to uncover the secrets of our underwater friends. Are you ready for a fantastic journey into the ocean realm? Join us for a spectacular underwater fiesta as we introduce a dazzling array of fishy friends. From the vibrant clownfish to the majestic angelfish, discover the unique personalities and characteristics of these underwater wonders. Fish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From the tiny guppies to the majestic whales, the ocean is home to a vast variety of underwater wonders. Let us start our journey by getting to know some fantastic fishy friends. Just like a fish display a stunning array of colors, we have got fish in every color imaginable: red, blue, yellow, and even some that can change colors. Can you believe it? Let us explore the vibrant underwater palette together. Now listen closely. The ocean is filled with the melodious sounds of fish. Some hum, some click, and others even sing. It's like a musical orchestra under the sea. What do you think fish songs sound like? Musical notes let your imagination swim wild. Fish live in all sorts of underwater neighborhoods, coral reefs, sandy ocean floors, and even freshwater rivers. Let us take a peek into these aquatic homes and meet some of the coolest neighbors in the sea. Time for some mind-blowing fish facts. Did you know that some fish can fly? Well, not exactly fly, but they can jump out of the water and glide through the air. Talk about fish with wings. Get ready for more fantastic facts. There are over 30,000 known species of fish, making them one of the most diverse groups of animals on Earth. Fish use a variety of methods to breathe. While many species have gills for extracting oxygen from water, some, like lungfish, can breathe air. Contrary to the popular myth, goldfish have a good memory. Studies have shown that they can remember simple tasks and learn from experience. Many fish exhibit schooling behavior for safety and efficiency. Swimming in a group helps protect them from predators and makes finding food easier. Some fish, like electric eels and catfish, can generate electric fields. They use these fields for navigation, communication, and hunting prey. These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity and unique characteristics found in the world of fish. Our fishy friends have some interesting names, don't they? Let us embark on a great fish name quest. We'll explore the names of different fish, from the clownfish to the majestic angelfish. Clownfish. Blue surgeon fish. Catfish. Starfish. Shark. Blue whale. Puffer fish. Dolphin. Guppy fish. Arowana fish. Golden fish. Seahorse. Angelfish. Repeat again. Clownfish. Blue surgeonfish. Catfish. Starfish. Shark. Blue whale. Pufferfish. Dolphin. Guppy fish. Arowana fish. Golden fish. Seahorse. Angelfish. And there you have it, little marine biologists. We have had an amazing time exploring the names of our fishy friends. Remember, the ocean is full of wonders, and each fish has a special name. If you enjoyed this fishy name adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more oceanic discoveries. Thank you for joining our Fishy Friends expedition today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun. See you in the next underwater adventure.